How to turn on front flash camera on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to turn on front flash camera on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, make sure also that you open your TikTok app and as well as your settings on your phone. So go ahead on this plus button right here and then turn your camera into the front camera. And then you may go to settings first. And since TikTok doesn't have the the front flash option, this is just an alternative. So you may go to accessibility and then go to display and text size and choose classic invert. So turn on classic invert and make sure that your um, brightness is turned into the highest level. So go to your brightness settings, turn it on to the highest level, and then go back to TikTok, press on the plus button, and then try out. So you may see my hand is very visible right now. So what you're going to do is to um, record your desired video right now. You may change your settings, your time, your speed. Also, you may add your timer. So what you're going to do here is just um, simply do whatever you want. And then once you are done, click on the check mark right here. And in order for you to preview your video properly, you may go back to settings and turn off classic invert and then go back to TikTok, review your video, and then that's it. That's how you can turn on front flash camera on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.